world to listen to me, what I'm saying at the moment, and what I believe is, and I want to say that the PDM, the real, the people of Pakistan think that the handlers, they say the handlers is. To their extent, they think the handlers are whatever they are. But the real peddlers behind PDM are, unfortunately, late Dada Anwar Ghori and my father Khalid Ghori and my Chacha Shahid Ghori and my brother who's in America, unfortunately, double deported dog Asan Khalid Ghori. Let me tell you one thing. I want to just explain a couple of things. Like the first time when he went to USA, when it was 2009 to 2013 Jan. What happened was more than a dozen of countries in the Middle East were conquered by the Democrats, and it is always been thought that the Democrats